Does a busy lifestyle leave you with little time for cooking? A smart cooker is the perfect solution for quick meals, nutrient retention, and space-saving convenience. The Instant Pot Rio Mini 4-quart Rosewater features a charming design and 7 versatile cooking functions. It cooks up to 70% faster, and its 4-quart capacity is ideal for small families. It boasts a durable, non-spin stainless steel inner pot and ensures complete safety with 10 built-in protection features. Minor downsides include the 120-volt voltage requirement, needing a converter, and a capacity that isn't suitable for large gatherings. Real users have shared it heats up quickly. Rice, soup, and meat all turn out tender and delicious, and cleanup is a breeze. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to click the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Prices and promotions are subject to change at any time. Act fast and click the Amazon link below to grab this amazing cooker at the best price. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me in creating more great videos.